My wood is burning.
See, this is what I was telling you.
Blow my wood out.
I'll blow your wood out. So bring a Kendall Jackson.
Oh, Kendall Jackson.
That's the one that you like.
Kendall Jackson.
AKA KJ.
Kendall Jackson. First cousin to Michael Jackson. Tito Jackson. Randy Jackson. Jermaine Jackson.
Curtis Jackson.
Curtis Jackson. Jay. Hey, what we doing?
Check up here and shit.
They said, why would you put sausage on a stick instead of not use charcoal?
Because it's a nature. It tastes flavorful. I mean, you're supposed to have a good wood, not this.
I was telling them about the Czech culture. Joe used to do that. So
Czech, yeah.
so maybe you explain it to them.
That's the Czech way of doing barbecue.
That's the Czech way of doing it, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Why get charcoal? That's so conventional.
That's so Americanized.
So Americanized is you get charcoal when you could just get.
Like Brother Joseph would say.
Exactly. For your hands, okay.
Well, you hold this, then you put your sausage on it. That's the best I can do.
All right. That's gonna be hot, but let's do it.
No, it won't. You can fold this on halfway then.
Okay.
I'll do it for you.
Let's do it. All right.
Yeah, it'll be fine. I think we got everything. I'm just. it in the water, dip the stick in the water, right? And let it soak in the water for a while. So when you put it over the fire,
Oh, I got you.
it doesn't burn that easily.
Okay.
Now you're gonna have to be careful about the top sausage because it might fall off. And you might be eating from the...
I'm not gonna be eating from no ash.
You will be.
Oh, negative.
Why?
It's not gonna fall off.
Oh, okay. What if it does?
I'm just gonna eat it.
Mine is about to fall off.
You struggling over there.
I am. And it's hot.
She got a short stick. I got a long stick.
But guess what? Mine is still cooking.
You're still cooking, yeah?
It's hanging on a live though.
Yep.
I'm about to put this other stick. And tilt it over like that. Hopefully it's gonna stay. Yeah, see how smart I am?
I see.
Yeah. That was so inventive.
Inventive.
I'm glad we did this earlier today with the daylight better, right?
Yeah.
Oops.
So you think daylight's better today?
Yeah. But like cooking this with a little bit more daylight.
Oh, yeah.
Then last time it was like pitch black in here. But it was so romantic because it was like almost a full moon.
Yep. Oh, yeah. I think it's getting right.
I think mine is done.
It's done.
I just want to taste this a little bit more blacker.
You like that sausage black like you like your man.
Be quiet, my mom might see this.
Oh, she won't understand. She don't understand English. She speaks Czech.
You don't know?
She don't understand. Oh, I'll have the, what is it? The translation, what you call it? The,
Google Translate.
no, on the YouTube. It'll translate for her. Oh yeah, it's going now.
My sausage about to get.
Oh yeah, it's done.
Voila!
Yes. I think mine's done.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah. Where's my plate? What we got there? Pull that sausage. Okay.
So this is the bread you got us, right?
Yeah.
I asked for hoagie rolls.
Hoagie rolls. Look what I got.
And this
That's what I got.
this is what you got. Look, there's a little bunny behind you.
Hey, bunny, bunny, bunny. Go.
So who is your friend with all the napkins?
That's spicy.
And how many does he use?
25, 30.
So you're still doing good, right?
Yeah, I'm doing real good compared to him.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Bad dude right there. What is that? Back in the Vegas. 910.
You want to check a pan shit?